Are you interested in finding out what colors are available in the Fiebing's acrylic leather dye? If you are interested in dyeing Chanel lambskin leather or Louis Vuitton Vernis glossy leather, then this is a suggestive product to utilize on these specific materials. There are other dyes with consistency that can be difficult to use, both in the horridness of the amount of coats that you'd actually have to apply before you see any results. My name is Christina. Welcome to Resurfaced Luxury Studio. On this channel, we venture into artesian escapades with vintage luxury upcycles of rescue, redemption, and renewal. So here's the scoop. I have been upcycling for the past 3 years. I know it works. I've had many trial and tribulations to find out what is the best product to use on different types of leather. I have here a Chanel lambskin wallet that is ideal for acrylic dye, and then also too a very classic Louis Vuitton Vernis glossy leather. This is the actual wallet that I will be putting the palette on to be saved, but it really can't redeem itself. I thought that I could actually turn this into an upcycle, but the damage is done. I just don't think there's any saving these damaged goods. So we'll be utilizing this as a scrap for our palette today. So I have 5 colors here from the very small Fiebing's acrylic leather dye. Red, light blue, turquoise, medium brown, and orange. It's quite sad that they really have about 8-9 colors, and they're so generic. You can mix around, but I mean, there's no freedom with this palette, but some people feel super safe to use a dye because there's often so many videos on upcycling where they say dyeing my Chanel wallet, dyeing my, I don't know, okay? And the thing is, it's applied the same way. You really have to just focus on the consistency of the paint and it will turn out beautifully. Obviously, lambskin is super fragile and soft. So with the delicacy of this type of leather, you're going to want something a little more diluted so it can seep into the leather without having it build up in tackiness, okay? And Vernis is special because it is a type of glossy leather. Can't really call it glossy leather because there's like a patent on this certain type of Vernis leather, but technically it is under the category of a glossy leather. So there's this like, you know, evident shine to it. And how do we paint on this like complicated surface without ruining it? That's where dye comes in. I just want to reiterate on the dyeing. I mean, it's still applied the same way with a brush. So if you're not dipping it in dye where it's like an alternative, it just comes down to method and technique. So as you can see, I'm very enthusiastic about sharing this palette with you. I did not have a guide for my upcycle journey, and I want to provide all the tools for you so you can resort to it as like a resource, the starting point for yourself to maybe discover other ways coming from like a basic fundamental understanding. But I do want to say very briefly, because I don't want to waste any more time with this video, I started this channel along with another channel called Santa Moda. Now my main focus has been on Resurfaced Luxury Studio. I want to tell you and share with you a Santa Moda channel if you are interested in fashion. I only have 4 videos, but it's going to be my other world. It's an art of its own and it's only just beginning. So again, on the screen, I'm just going to put Santa Moda. Just check it out. I mean, it's going to be really informational. It's not just going to be about clothing, okay? And now let's get right into it. Oh, so I will be posting here on a weekly basis, but if you don't catch me here, I'm probably on the other channel. So I'm trying to figure out the balance of being able to be neutral in making sure that I cater to both. So Santa Moda is my heart. This is like my soul. So if you don't catch me here, I'm on the heart side. I'm fully dedicated because it has become a part of me in a way of a meditative act, maintaining joyful frequency, you know, and it's just an activity for me to get lost in. So let's get into this. Let's see what these colors are about.